Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you all the steps to take to install and to use the Firefox browser on your Google TV or Android TV. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. First, we'll have to enable developer mode so that we can install third-party apps. To do that, go to Settings, System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build and click that 7 times until it says you are now a developer. Now go back to the home screen. Pan over to the Apps tab. Go down to the search box. Search for Downloader. Click on it and click Install. The Downloader app is used to install third-party apps, but before installing any third-party apps, I like to sign into a VPN first. Third-party apps might be able to see personal data that you don't want them to be seeing. I myself use NordVPN to protect my personal data. It's fast, reliable, and cheap. If you want to use it too, I have a discount link that gives you 4 months for free. Go to nordvpn.com/landotech or use the link in my description below. Once installation completes, launch it. Go to the text field and type the following: 842.189 and hit enter. Scroll down and click the download icon. It will start downloading the Firefox APK file. Once the download is complete, click Settings. Then scroll down and allow the downloader to install apps from unknown sources. Now click Install. After the installation completes, click Done. Since the Firefox browser isn't an official Google TV app, we won't see it appear on the home screen. But I'll walk you through this quick workaround to get it to appear. From the home screen, open the Downloader app. Delete the Firefox APK file. Go to the text field and erase the code that was previously typed. Then type the new code, 1347473. Then hit enter and click the download icon. Click Install when prompted. This will install the Firefox browser shortcut on your Google TV. Now click Done. You can now delete this APK file to save some space. If you go to the home screen, you'll now see the Firefox browser shortcut. But don't open it just yet. Because this browser isn't optimized for Google TV, you'll need an external keyboard and mouse to properly use it. If you have a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, I'll walk you through connecting it. And if you don't have a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, I'll explain a workaround you can use at the end of this video. But for those who have a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, go to Settings, Remotes and Accessories, Pair Remote or Accessory. Now, place your keyboard and mouse into pairing mode. When you see it on the list of devices, click on it to pair it. Once you're successfully paired, go back to the home screen. Then launch the Firefox browser. Click Continue. Then when you're asked to make it your default browser, click Not Now. Then follow the rest of the on-screen prompts until you get to the home page. Once you're in, you can click the search field and then you can start typing in and browsing to your favorite sites. Now, if you don't have a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, but you do have a wired one, or maybe even a wireless one that uses a USB dongle like this, you can only connect this to certain Google TV models, like the Google TV Streamer or the ON 4K Pro. But if you have a Google Chromecast with Google TV, the only way you'll be able to connect it is by using a USB hub. To learn how, you can watch this video right here, where I give a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your Chromecast to a USB hub and connect peripherals to it.